Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to our next tutorial on Android. So in last tutorial we discussed about the OOPS concepts. So on that we discussed about the various object-oriented concepts are like encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Now we can see here what are the each means what is encapsulation, what is polymorphism and all we can discuss in detail here now. So first of all we'll start with encapsulation. So encapsulation is nothing but here, so just I'm writing here encapsulation. So encapsulation. First we'll start from here. Encapsulation is nothing but here, it's a process of building variables and methods into a single entity. So simple words, it should be a process of building variables and methods in a single entity. So how this we can discuss in detail here in single entity. This is the encapsulation. So here how this will be, first we'll discuss in detail of this definition. So here see, encapsulation can be achieved with help of class. So means for this, if we are doing something that we can do with help of class only, means we can do this with help of class, means encapsulation can be achieved with help of class only. So if you want to write encapsulation, must ensure class help is needed, and using encapsulation we can improve the maintenance of the application. So users, we can improve the maintenance of application, means it should be very good speed and while we can maintain the application. And the next here, using encapsulation we can implement abstraction, that is data hiding, which will decide what to hide and what to present. That we can implement as a security, means using this we can implement as a security, means some part of data we can hide and we can implement, means while implementing this abstraction data hiding, that abstraction is nothing but data hiding, which can be decide what to hide and what not to hide, that it can be decide. So because of this can provide the security for us. And the next, using encapsulation we can isolate or separate the members from the one class to other class and thereby reduce the debugging time. So we can isolate or separate the members of the class from one class to other class. So this is the just general definition, but we will discuss in detail of this with example program. But just for the time being, encapsulation is the process of binding the variables and methods into a single entity, and encapsulation can be achieved with help of class. Using encapsulation we can improve the maintenance of the application, and using encapsulation we can implement abstraction, that is data binding, which will decide what to hide and what to present, that is we can implement the security. Last one, using encapsulation we can isolate or separate the members from one class to another class, and because of this it can be reduced the debugging time. So this is a encapsulation. Now we'll see this next one here in this, that is inheritance. So what is inheritance? Inheritance. So what is inheritance? It's a process of acquiring the members from one class to other class. So it's a processing of acquiring members from one class to other class. So this is the inheritance. Simply we are accessing the one class data in other class, that is encapsulation. So inheritance. Using inheritance we can achieve reusability and therefore reduce the code size and reduce the development time of the application. So simply if we use this one, we can reduce the time. One common class, we can create one common class that we can use in a multiple places, so that we can reduce the time. So it can be reduce the code, also it can be reduce the time of execution and so size also. And the next one is the polymorphism. So what polymorphism can do, that we can see here, polymorphism. So if a single entity shows multiple behaviors or multiple forms, then that is said as a polymorphism. So a single entity shows multiple behaviors. Single entity, multiple behaviors or multiple forms, then we can say as that is a polymorphism. Then how this using polymorphism we can achieve flexibility, where single entity can perform different operations according to the requirements. Means we are writing single class based on conditions. Based on that we can have the different achievements, like different conditions, different things we can achieve. That is polymorphism. So this is about this polymorphism: encapsulation, inheritance and polymorphism, these three things. In next video we'll discuss in detail of programs with each, so that there you can understand easily of each how we are using that programmatically. Typically now it's clear, but programmatically we can discuss on that. So please subscribe to get more updates. Thank you.